Hi friends, today I've come with a tea time snack recipe, Sukhiyan. It is a very delicious and healthy snack. So for that we'll take 1 cup of green gram, wash it thoroughly, and then we'll cook this with 1.5 cup of water in a pressure cooker. So first we'll keep the cooker on high heat till the first whistle. After the first whistle comes, we'll reduce the heat to minimum and cook for 15 minutes and then switch off the flame, and we'll allow the pressure to go by itself, and only after that we'll open. Now here I have taken 200 grams of jaggery, and we'll melt this in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now the green gram is properly cooked. It is nice and soft and not mushy, and also there is no water left in the cooker. The jaggery is now melted, so we'll strain it and we'll take it in the same pan. Now into this we'll add 1 cup of coconut and the cooked green gram, and we'll mix it on medium flame. Add salt to taste and mix it well so that the jaggery is absorbed by the coconut and the green gram and it comes together. For flavor we have taken 8 cardamoms. Peel it and we'll powder it. See, now the coconut, jaggery and green gram has come out very well. It is mixed, and into this we'll add the cardamom powder and 1.5 teaspoon of ghee and mix it well and allow it to cool down a little. After it is slightly cooled down, we'll make balls. With this measure, I made about 18 sukhiyans. Depending on the size of the balls, the number might change. So to make the batter, I'm taking 1 cup of maida and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add salt to taste. Add water little by little to make a batter which is not very thin or nor thick. It should be similar to the idli batter. Here I have used almost 1 cup of water. Mix it so that there is no lumps. A whisk can also be used. Into this we'll add a pinch of turmeric and a little cumin seeds and mix it thoroughly. Now the batter is ready. I've kept the cheena chatti on the flame and I'm frying it in coconut oil. Now we'll dip the balls into the batter and till it is nicely coated with the batter, and we'll fry it. We'll have to fry it on high heat because already the filling is cooked, so we have to just fry it till the covering is nice and crisp. This is so easy to make and it's really delicious. One of my favorite snacks. What is your favorite traditional snack? Please do put it in the comment box. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Hope you liked the video. And if you like the video, do press the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.